first of all, I do apologize to everybody that I've been asking for a beginner video, complete beginner web tutorial. You know, in terms of products, the kind of products that you need to get started and all that stuff. And today it's kind of like comes to my mind like I think I should because a lot of you guys are kind of confused. I just want to make this clear, right? You don't have to be confused, right? Do not confuse yourself. I'm going to show you exactly what you need. The kind of product that you need to get started, right? I have a lot of questions about. I have guys are asking me which of these products you think is guys are asking me which of these products, these three, which of these three get started with, right? The right product to get started with. And first of all, let me tell you something, man. In order to get started with your waves, you want your hair to at least, you can do 1.5, get started with 1.5, but I would recommend at least 2.5 or 3, because the reason why is you want your hair to be able to lay down, like completely lay down, and once the hair is laid down, all you gotta do is just brush, and your wigs will come out perfectly, like super slick and nice, right? When you have those short hair that all you doing is just causing yourself a lot of pain, You just give yourself a lot of pain. So this is the 360 style, right? You can, and I'm not saying you cannot use this, but you not just from the beginning. You don't need this right here. And I'm not gonna lie to you. You don't need this right here. Alright. This too is the Murray Super Light. And I'm not saying you cannot use it either, but not from the beginning, right? From the beginning, what you need is this right here. They're not expensive. It's about $4 in the US, right? So this is what this looks like. I already right now anyway. They're like super thicker, very thick. And you have to look at super thick, alright? So what this does is you put this in your hair and brush, and what it's gonna do is lay down your hair down, completely lay down, right? So once the hair is laid down, all you gotta do is brush. Just brush. That's all you gotta do. It's easy, So for those that are getting started, my advice is to go for you to find one of these right here. It's called the Dyes Waves and Groom. Alright. You can find this in any beauty store, hair store, whatever. Just go and get one of these. And it's nice, it's good, apply this to your hair. Put in the daily brush session, like you can brush for like 30 minutes to an hour every day and just right up. Now you don't have to apply this each time you're brushing. It's just up to you. If you have it already enough in your hair, just brush. That's what you gotta do. And what it's gonna do is it's gonna lay down your hair between the first, let's say, a week. All right, and then if it's up to you. It depends how much you're brushing. If you're brushing it, putting it in some good work. It'll, let's say your wheels will start showing up within a week, and then just every time you wash your hair, apply the same thing and just brush. And the main important thing is for your hair to be able to lay down. Once the hair is completely compressed and lay down, just brush, 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 brush. That's it. And that way it's gonna keep, continue to form as well as connections and everything. And then when you feel comfortable with the waves, now you can go ahead and use any product of your choice. But to get started, I would recommend this right here, because at the beginning you don't know what to do exactly, and this right here will help you, it will guide you, because you will be able to train your hair, you will be able to direct your hair, you will be able to do whatever you want your hair, however you want your waves to come out, you will be able to, do all of that. And that's why I recommend this right here, alright? Just for the beginner out there, I mean, I still use it. I use it on my crown because, like I said, alright. And as you can see, my hair is very raw, and I'm gonna apply a little bit of this on there. But yeah, see this, man? You see how thick it is? This right here, you'll be able to control your hair. Control your hair. What it just did, it just laid down everything there. See that? Okay. And that's why you don't need a lot. You need just a little bit of down piece of it. And just brush. You feel me? Just brush. I don't have no lighting, I can't really see anything. But yeah, that's it. It's yeah, you can see the difference right there, right? Real clean and shiny. That's all. good.